Water boil and freeze. At the triple point, a unique set of conditions, water can simultaneously boil and freeze. This phenomenon requires precise pressure and temperature, allowing solid, liquid, and gas phases to coexist. Quantum entanglement. In quantum physics, entangled particles remain connected so that the state of one, whether spin, position, momentum, etc., instantly influences the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. This phenomenon was termed spooky action at a distance by Einstein. Bananas are radioactive. Bananas contain potassium, and a small fraction of potassium is naturally radioactive. Eating a banana exposes a person to a tiny amount of radiation. This is often used as a benign example to explain radiation exposure in everyday life. The speed of light is not always constant in materials. In vacuum, the speed of light is always approximately 299,792 km per second. However, when light travels through different materials, it slows down. This slowing down can lead to phenomena like refraction, which is the bending of light when it enters a different medium. Butterflies taste with their feet. Butterflies have taste receptors on their feet to help them find their host plants and locate food. When a butterfly lands on a plant, it can taste it to determine if it's suitable for laying eggs. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 of the hearts pump blood to the octopus's gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Their blood is blue because it uses a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin for oxygen transport, unlike the iron-based hemoglobin in our blood. The Earth is not a perfect sphere. Due to its rotation, the Earth is an oblate spheroid, meaning it is slightly flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator. The diameter of the Earth at the equator is about 43 kilometers, 27 miles, greater than the pole-to-pole diameter. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Venus has an extremely slow rotation on its axis, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. However, it takes only about 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit the Sun. Therefore, a day on Venus, from one sunrise to the next, is longer than a Venus year. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Honey's long shelf life is due to its antibacterial properties and low water content. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way, estimating there are around 3 trillion trees on Earth, significantly more than the estimated 100 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way. This fact highlights the vastness and complexity of life on our planet compared to what we currently know about our galaxy.